In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the favicon on your Shopify store. A favicon is the tiny icon that shows up in the browser tab next to your store name, and it also appears in bookmarks and shortcuts. It might be small, but it helps customers recognize your brand at a glance and adds a polished, professional touch to your site. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel so you're on the main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and head to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where all your site's visual settings live. Make sure you're working on the theme that's currently published on your store, since that's the one customers see. Click Customize on your current theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, you'll notice a panel on the left. Scroll down and open Theme Settings. This area controls global design options that affect your whole site. In Theme Settings, look for Favicon. Depending on your theme, this might also be labeled under Logo, so if you don't see Favicon immediately, check there. Once you're in the Favicon section, click Select Image. You can choose an image you've already uploaded to your library, or upload a new one from your computer. For best results, use a simple, recognizable mark that still looks clear at a very small size. A square image works best, and a transparent PNG is a good choice to avoid unwanted backgrounds. Common sizes like the 32 by 32 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels are ideal. If your image is larger, Shopify will handle the resizing, but starting with a crisp square image helps preserve clarity. Keep the design minimal. Thin lines or small text can disappear at favicon scale. After you've chosen your image, confirm that it appears in the preview. If it doesn't look quite right, you can go back and pick a clearer version or a simplified logo mark. When you're happy with how it looks, head to the top right corner of the editor and click Save to apply your changes. This Save button is important. Without it, your new favicon won't be published. Once saved, your favicon will update across your store. Some browsers cache icons, so it might take a moment to reflect everywhere. That's normal. The next time someone visits your site or saves it as a bookmark, they'll see your updated icon, reinforcing your brand with every visit. That's it. Your Shopify favicon is now updated. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed professional look.